and everything because you're like, oh my God, my house is dirty. And that's what we're going to do right now in a few minutes. We are going to start cleaning our bodies, start cleaning our souls. Porque el Espíritu Santo no quiere entrar a un cuerpo sucio. Right? If you go to somebody's house, you're going to go like, that's where you live? And then that person's like walking around, it's like his hair nice, like everything's fresh, and then you go into your house and they're like, this is where I don't get it. Why? I don't get why your house is so dirty and you look so nice. Right? That's kind of embarrassing. So we don't want the Holy Spirit to look at you and be like, oh, you look so cute. And then you open your heart and then he's like, ooh, I don't get it. So today vamos a hacer la reconciliación, confession. I know a lot of people are scared, but don't worry. I think confession, I don't even like to call it confession, reconciliation. Porque te estás reconciliando con Dios. God is merciful. Just look at that portrait. Look at him. Él perdona. Él es misericordioso. Maybe you came in here and you think you're not worthy, you're not clean, that you're dirty, that you've committed too many sins. No. Si te arrepientes de corazón, Él te perdonará. Porque el amor de Él es infinito. He does not care what you did. As long as you open your heart and you say, yes, I want to be your soldier. I want to be marching here on Youth Explosion in the spring. Yes, I want to be part of this group. Yes, I want to give my life to you. Because once you open your heart, it's the most beautiful thing. Once you let go of the driving wheel and you give it to God, everything is perfect. Everything. I am not going to stand up here and tell you that I am perfect and I'm the most holiest person here. No. I used to use confession as a way out of my sins. I used to be like, my friends used to be like, oh, let's go to the club on Thursday. I'd be like, sure, why not? I have nothing else to do. So I'd go to the club and then I'd feel guilty. And then I'd go the next day, oh, Father, forgive me for I have sinned. I went to the club and I know that's not like the Christian thing to do, and you know, like grinding on people that I don't know, giving them like dirty thoughts, and I swore and like I talked like so much stuff about these girls at school, and then I would get out of confession and be like, woof, now I feel better. No, because next Sunday I would come back and be like, forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. I've gone to Elements and I again partied too hard. No, that's not what it's about. No, you have to go into confession with an open heart. You have to say, God, I know I hurt you. I know que because of me te clavaron. Because of my sin, they whipped you. Because of me, you wore that crown of thorns. And you have to say, please, Father, I know you forgive me. I will not do it again. Because confession is not a joke. We have to purify our souls. That's all we have. I don't want to give the only good thing I have to God dirty. That's embarrassing to me. My body dirty, no. We have to learn to forgive ourselves and that God will forgive us. In the play that we did with La hija pródiga, el Espíritu Santo le dijo, she was like, they're not going to forgive me because I did something wrong. I sinned, I went and I left my family, I left you. Pero ¿qué es lo que dijo el Espíritu Santo? Dijo, no, regresa, porque tú eres hija de tu madre, eres hija de tu padre, eres hija y hijo de Dios, y ellos nunca te van a abandonar. Y que Dios era misericordioso. And then she went back, and what did they do? They didn't go, you sinner, bad, get out of here, you're dirty, you're horrible, I disown you. No, hicieron una fiesta, llamaron a la familia, they took out everything, the best china, everything, like they bought the best food, everything, because she returned. And that is what we are doing today. We are returning to God. En Juan 20, versículo 22 al 23, Jesús se le apareció a los apóstoles y les dijo, reciben el Espíritu Santo, a quienes ustedes perdonen los pecados, les quedarán perdonados, y a quienes no se los perdonen, les quedarán sin perdonar. Dios se le apareció a los apóstoles y les dijo, you have the right for people to come and confess with you. Y ustedes los van a perdonar. But if they do not confess and no se arrepienten, no van a ser perdonados. So today, los padres que van a estar allá arriba, they take the place of los apóstoles. Los padres que están arriba son como los apóstoles y ellos tienen la autoridad de perdonar cualquier pecado. Isn't that beautiful? Que ellos se convierten como Jesús en ese momento. No es cualquier padre, no es cualquier sacerdote, es Jesús que está ahí sentado. Soldiers go through 16 weeks of boot camp. Today, you guys went through a day and a half of boot camp for Jesus. Let's get ready. And one of the steps is confession. Reconciliate with God. Hug Him, because that is what you're doing upstairs. You're giving God a huge hug and telling Him, I'm sorry. Y lo que Él te va a decir is, I forgive you, because I love you too. And once you have forgiven, you will receive so many things. Just believe. Believe in German means to fall in love. So let's fall in love tonight with God. Believe. Because God is merciful and He loves you no matter what. So you guys ready to receive the Holy Spirit?
Yes!
Doesn't sound so exciting. Are you guys ready to receive the Holy Spirit?
Yes!
Do you guys want to have your Pentecost tonight?
Yes!
Do you guys want to be like the crazy people dancing?
Yes!
Yeah? You want to start singing in tongues?
Yes!
Oh, only a few. Do you want to see visions?
Yes!
Do you want to heal people?
Yes!
Alright then, let's get prepared.